Your home is equipped with a furnace unit, and every furnace has a filter. The filter should be changed every 2 to 3 months to ensure clean air is circulated within your home and to ensure the blower motor does not become overworked. Prior to doing any furnace maintenance, I would recommend shutting off the furnace using the furnace shut-off switch. Your furnace filter is located here. When replacing the filter, please ensure that the arrows are always facing the furnace unit, like so. Quick tip: set an alert in your calendar to remind you to check your filter.